Moving on to the next question in this series of GATE 2024 Electrical Engineering solutions from the subject Digital Electronics. Next question, question number 25 in the master question paper, again of 1 mark, MCQ type, is as follows. Number 25. It is given in the circuit present value of Z is 1, neglecting the delay in the combinatorial circuit values of S and Z respectively, S and Z respectively, after application of the clock pulse. After application of the clock will be the digital circuit is given as something like this. It is a combination of combinatorial as well as sequential circuit. X XOR Y XOR Z. Okay, let me over. There is some D flip flop also. You can cascade. Okay. This Q bar. This is Z. It's taken as feedback again. This is X equal to 1, Y equal to 0. And clock pulse is applied here, like this. Clock. This is D flip flop, this is combinatorial circuit. So let's move to solution. Let me give the options also. A, S equal to 0, Z equal to 0, B, S equal to 0, Z equal to 1, C, S equal to 1, Z equal to 0, and D, S equal to 1, Z equal to 1. So all the 4 combinations you suppose are possible combinations. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. They are put in the options. They are valid answers also. Let's check how the circuit will behave. Clock will separate. Now the D flip flop as output, as you all know. In the next state, we have output Z equal to D. That is Qn plus 1 equal to D. Right? And D is here what? S. Right. And S is what? In the combinatorial circuit. X XOR Y XOR Z. Initially we have Z equal to 1, X is given as 1, Y is given as 0. So 1 XOR 0 is what? 1, and this 1 XOR 0 gives what? 0. So initially S is 0. Okay. Now if you apply the clock pulse इधर क्या हो जाएगा? ये जो S का जो वैल्यू है वो D में Z में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. So now Z will in the next instant after clock pulse applied अप्लाई करने के बाद Z क्या हो जाएगा? Z n plus 1 इक्वल टू ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Z n plus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? SN क्या था पहले? 0 था. तो Z नेक्स्ट क्लॉक पल्स में क्या हो जाएगा? Z 0 हो जाएगा. S का वैल्यू जो है वो ले लेगा. Z will take the value of S in the previous instant. So if z is 0, then what will have? 0, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 0, 0. So 1 XOR 0 is what? 1, and 1 XOR 0, again XOR. So 1 XOR 0 is what? 1 XOR 0 is again 1. So S becomes 1. Right? After the clockwise wavelet, Z becomes 0. So this is fed back to combinatorial circuit. XOR of 0, 1, 0 is 1. So S becomes, after the application of clockwise, S becomes 1. That is 0, XOR 1, XOR 0. So 1. And Z, it has acquired the previous value of S before the clockwise wavelet, that is, क्या था previous value of S? 0 था, Z हो गया 0. So after the clockwise wavelet, the values of S and Z will be 1 and 0 respectively. 1 और 0 होगा, ऐसे हम लोग बता सकते हैं. So our answer to this question is option C. Let's look at the approach carefully once again. We have to take the equation for the D flip flop. State equation. So it will give Zn plus 1 at the n plus 1th instant. It will take the value of S at the previous instant. शुरू में क्या था? Z 1 था, S क्या था? 1 1 0 का जोर क्या हो जाता है? 0. जब हमने क्लॉकवाइज दिया तो ये जो 0 वैल्यू था इसमें वो डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप के थ्रू एस में जेड में ट्रांसफर हो गया तो जेड हो गया 0. जेड इनिशियली था 1, एस इनिशियली था 0. ये क्या हो गया? इधर आ गया 1 1 0 का जोर हो जाएगा, क्या होता है? सॉरी 0 1 0 का जोर हो जाता है. इनिशियली था 1 और 0. ठीक है. अब जब क्लॉकवाइज अप्लाई हुआ तब ये हो गया, ये वैल्यू पास हो गया तो ये 0 हो गया. 0 1 0 का क्या होता है जोर? 1. तो after the clockwise wavelet S equal to 1 and Z equal to 0. That is what is asked. लोगों ने इसको डिटेल भी किया है. So that's the approach. I hope the solution and the method is clear. But still, if you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask in the comments. I will be glad to answer. And that's all for this question.